Hey, what's happening? You want a fast and easy way to make some extra money from home? That's exactly what I'm going to be covering in this video, so stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you how you could tap into a turnkey system, a system that does the follow-up, does the closing for you. And I'm going to show you how you can automate the whole invitation process. So when you're inviting people to the system to see the system, that's completely automated, hands-free. And I'm going to show you exactly how to set that up, how to get that going, and just how simple it is. Before I do want to talk about the numbers. So right now, the numbers are, and this may have changed, but the business has grown by 30% since they decided to add this turnkey system. Here's the turnkey system. And they added the software that does the inviting for you. So now you have a system that literally does everything for you. It literally does everything for you when it comes to what makes you money. Plus, this system, this program, is 10 years old. It pays the highest percentage of residual income per sale around. There is no other program that is crazy enough to pay this much residual. So here are the steps. This is what I recommend. This is how you get started fast. This is how you get into action fast. This is how you can start getting paid 80% commissions. It only takes 2 sales to be in profit. First thing you're going to do is get started. Take action, get started. And I recommend doing the $35. $35 triple residual pack because that's going to position you to make $8 residual commissions, $20 residual commissions, and $100 residual commissions. Next thing you're going to do, so you just go to the link turnkeyprofitsnow.com. It's also in my description. Just go ahead and decide to get started. Let me just show you what it looks like real quick. Let me see if I can find it. Here's the sales page. Okay, so when you put your information in here, which is that's where that link is going to go. It's going to go to the system. You're going to see a page that looks just like this. I didn't create it. It was done for me. You don't have to create it. It is done for you. Notice it says turnkey system included. You have Paul Hutchings, who's the co-founder of Home Business Academy. That's what this business is. It's Home Business Academy. It's been in operation for 10 years. They pay the highest residual income around. There is no one else crazy enough to do it. Um, because that's just not that profitable, like you're paying almost all of the commission to the affiliates. Like no other business is crazy enough to do this. Like you can go research it. I haven't seen it. But this video, this 3-minute video, is going to explain what the turnkey system is. It's going to explain what Sage is. Okay, so this little blue thing here, this little chat, it's a chat bot, Sage, and Sage will answer your prospects' questions. So when they land on this page, they can read through the text. They can watch the different videos about the different products. I mean, this goes over literally everything. Everything a person needs to do to make an informed decision is here. Meet the community. There's a video. Okay. Uh, See the impact. There's a video. You could see how many commissions have been paid to date right here in real time. You could see how much each product is. You could see how much you keep, how much you get paid. You could see how 2 referrals, you're in positive cash flow. You could see how it breaks down. So you could see 2 referrals, that's $256 income. Net residual is 96. So you can see just like how all this breaks down. Very easy to understand. Just 24 referrals equals full-time income. Okay, so you can go through the products. You can see illustrations of the products. You can watch the video, like just by clicking on it. You can watch any video you want of the products. Like literally everything is here done for you. You don't have to do it. And then if your prospect or you still have questions, you can come over here and ask Sage. And Sage will answer the questions. Sage will take your prospect through a selling process, the sales process, ask them questions to move the move it towards a sale, move it towards them taking action. And Sage will even help them get started or help you get started. So this is really awesome. Plus, when you enter your information here, this system has, I believe it's 11 emails that go out. They won't go to the spam folder, not like other systems, because it's on a domain that is warmed up for, I think it's like 10 years, and it's only going to one domain. I'm not going to get into all the specifics about that. The most important thing is your emails are going to hit the inbox. They're going to be coming from one of the co-founders, Paul Hutchings. So those emails are going to educate your prospects, and they're going to help establish trust because it's one of the co-founders talking to them. It's your link, but it's one of the co-founders talking to them. So it's a little different than other systems, but it absolutely works. Plus, they get an ebook or a PDF or whatever you want to call it, where it it goes over the residual model. It goes over and explains like, hey, these are the traps in the industry. This is how you can make more faster and easier. So everything is taken care of. And then we go another step, okay? That wasn't enough. Just having the turnkey system's not enough. Now we have an automatic inviter, the fast start inviter. And what this is it will, once you download it, it will load all your Facebook friends that you have. You can go and select which ones you don't want. And it will start sending you, once you turn it on, very easy, one button. You click one button, it will send out 10 invites a day. And these are messages that are proven to be effective in getting a response, whether it's yes or no, a response. And that's all it's doing. So it's one less thing you have to do. This gets you in action quickly. This gets you doing an income producing activity very quickly without you having to do it. It's turnkey. When you get responses, you just send them your turnkey system or you add them to the turnkey system and the system goes to work for you. You're done. And then that system's going to go through. Some of them are going to like it and some of them are going to buy. Now, the numbers, and these may have changed since the last time. 6.1% conversion rate, sales conversion rate, once your prospect goes through, once your lead goes through all the emails. Okay. There's a 6.1% sales conversion rate. That means a sale happens at 6.1%, right? And the industry average is like 1 to 2%. And when it comes to make money online programs, it's even lower than that because there's a lot of skepticism that goes on in the industry. So getting 6.1% sales conversion rate is insane. Like that really doesn't exist. So you have a system that's absolutely working, converting to sales, doing the heavy lifting for you. You have the download you have this fast start inviter that's inviting your friends to check out the system. I mean, it's so simple. Um, the only other things that you can possibly do, there are some other things. This is just like one of the things that will produce income. There are many other things. These are optional steps, of course, but you can get 5 leads a day right here. You can just go to this link. It's in my description, and you'll get 5 leads a day. These leads will come right into your inbox, your email, whatever email you put in, and you'll be able to either email them, text them, call them, whatever you want to do. But these are leads. These are real people. These are people looking for a way to make extra money, and you can just, they give you some scripts you can follow when texting and all that, but it's very simple. You just send them your system, you know, and these are leads but this is optional. Like you don't need this. It's just if you want to go the extra mile, you want to go the next step. This alone will make you sales. You can create video, short, long form. These days, you don't even need to put your face on them. Again, this is going the extra mile. Create post social proof results. You can do solo ads. Okay. So that's all I really wanted to cover today. I didn't do all the numbers. 6.1% sales conversion rate. Okay. That's when people go all the way through. 25% are going all in, purchasing all the products in Home Business Academy after going through the email. Okay. The other thing I wanted to let you know about the emails is we have like webinars every once a month, right? Presentation webinars that are done. Uh, Once they're on that email list, they're going to get the announcement to be invited to that webinar automatically. Like you don't have to do anything. So they're going to continue to be followed up over and over again, even if the sequence stops. And I did want to show you one thing that's really cool. To get to your system, really simple. Once you get started, like I showed you, do the triple residual pack. You're just going to find it right here. Scroll all the way down right here, $35 right here. Click start, and you'll be able to sign up for that. If that's not for you, do you want to do something else? There are other options, but this is what I recommend because it pays you three types of residual income: $8, $20, $100, and that's what can add up pretty fast. It's going to give you most of the value. You're going to get the coaching because they do live coaching, and you're going to get the different premium products. I mean, you're going to get quite a bit for this $35. So that is what is recommended. You can read over the bullets. Like I said, you can go through the videos, learn all about that. But this is really quite simple. Follow the steps and get paid. It really is that simple. What I did want to show you though is how simple it is to get to your turnkey system. So once you decide to get started, you're going to have a back office that looks like this. It's probably going to come up on the social feed like this. You could actually change it, make it however you want. Yeah, they have their own social feed here where it's like kind of like Facebook or a social platform where members can interact. There's updates done. There's all kinds of stuff here done. Okay. And anyway, we're going to go to affiliate. What's what you want to do? Affiliate. You're going to watch this fast start training video. You're going to click on, once you're done, they're going to show you exactly what to do. But once you're done, you click on scripts here and you click on download inviter. And what that's going to do is it's going to download the inviter. Like I said, you're going to follow the instructions. You know, it's going to load up your friends. You remove the people you don't want the invite to go to and click the button and it just goes to work. And it's safe. It's not going to get real aggressive. It only sends out 10 messages. I'm getting 2 to 3 yes responses a day, people wanting to take a look at what I'm doing. That's really all you want. You just want people responding. That's what it's doing. And what I did want to show you is as I come down here for leads, right? So these are leads in the system. You can see exactly where they are in the sequence. So you can see exactly where people are in the email sequence. You can download them into your own autoresponder if you want to. You don't need to have an autoresponder, but if you want to, you can do that and then follow up with them yourself once the system finishes. Okay, so it shows who's an existing member, all that stuff. Okay, you could track it. This is really meant to be as simple as possible so you can start getting paid. And it actually works. That's what's so cool. It actually works because I can tell you, I've used so many systems over the years, and most of the systems I have used, this is what happens, okay? They look great. But the problem is when the emails start going out, the emails end up in spam. Now, why do the emails end up in spam? Well, the emails end up in spam because everybody's using the same exact subject lines and the same exact emails, and they're going out in all these different domains. Everybody has their own domain, and what happens is the spam filters kick in and they're like, oh, this is spam, same message going out. And then what happens is those emails that are supposed to be hitting the inbox, that are supposed to be following up with your prospects, with your leads, are not doing the job. They're landing in the spam folder. This is different because the domain is one domain, okay? It's coming from one account that's warmed up, that's seasoned, that has a good reputation. So those emails, and they're not spammy emails either. These are very well thought out emails. These are written by Paul Hutchings here. And he's an excellent copywriter. He's so good that, people come on board, like they join with him from his emails because he's so good at building value, telling stories, and you get to leverage that through this system. So I can't say enough about it. It's just an amazing program. Word is they're going to even make it better. And here's the thing, okay? I've been in this program for almost 5 years. I might be 5 years now. I don't know. I haven't really checked. But what I can tell you is like the amount of value that's been put into this since I started, it's like you can't even believe how much more they put into this without charging it extra anything extra. They just keep putting more and more value and they don't charge you for it. Like they didn't charge us when they added the turnkey system. They didn't charge us when they added the fast start inviter. Like I did not have to pay for this. And I just want you to really understand this because I used to pay $150 for something similar to this. This is better though. The way this is set up, it's better. And I did go over, I'll drop a video right at the end here that goes over the details of why it's better. Why it, like, I go into the details of how it works. All you really need to know though is this system is designed for the beginner in mind, for the person that's been struggling in mind, to be as easy as possible with the most minimal setup and the least amount of friction, you know. Like you could get into action like right away. Within 5 minutes you can be in action, maybe a little longer if you watch the video. But this is designed for you if you're brand new, if you know nothing about earning money online, or if you've been struggling to make it. This is for you. Okay, so go ahead, click the link in the description and get started.